Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Grimsby, Ontario, a charming town nestled between the sparkling shores of Lake Ontario and the rolling hills of the Niagara Escarpment. As you drive through this picturesque area, you'll notice the beautiful blend of natural beauty and small-town charm that makes Grimsby so special. The town has a rich history that dates back to the late 1700s when it was first settled by United Empire Loyalists. Over the years, Grimsby has grown from a small farming community into a vibrant town with a strong sense of community and a rich cultural heritage. Grimsby is known for its beautiful parks and green spaces, which provide a peaceful retreat for residents and visitors. The Bruce Trail, one of Canada's oldest and longest footpaths, runs through the area and offers breathtaking views of the escarpment and the lake. It's a perfect spot for nature lovers and those who enjoy a good hike. As you drive through Grimsby, you'll notice the blend of historic architecture and modern development. The town has preserved many of its historic buildings, giving it a quaint and timeless feel, yet it also embraces progress and innovation, making it a great place to live, work, and visit. Whether you're passing through or staying a while, you're sure to enjoy the warm welcome and the scenic views that this lovely town has to offer.
Thanks for watching!